How to fix the Snapchat app not working on Android or iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Snapchat application not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. For that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either you're using your iPhone or Android. Then go to the search bar, search for Snapchat application. Once you find it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now, another thing you can do is go ahead and open your system settings. From here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now, simply search for Snapchat application. Once you find it, again scroll down and then tap on storage. From here, tap on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data, but remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it. And if you're using your iPhone, you can go ahead and upload the application. And if you're using your Android, go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. Also, make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. Now, once it is completely installed and updated on your device, you can reopen it and see if the problem is resolved. Now, before you launch this Snapchat application, go ahead and check your internet connection as well. Sometimes a weak connection can disrupt the smooth experience on the app. So for that, you can try switching to your mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi, and vice versa. Last but not least, go ahead and try restarting the device that you're using, either Android or iPhone, and this should definitely help you resolve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.